Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to add a payment method to the Nike Store application. How to add a payment method to the Nike Store application. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. First, open the Nike Store app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Nike Store app. Next, tap the three-line menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. A scrolling menu will appear. Next, tap the Settings menu. A menu like this will appear. Next, tap the Payment Information menu. A menu like this will appear. In the Add New Payment Methods section, several options will appear. Like this. Select one, here I chose credit card. A form like this will appear. Here, you can fill in everything from the credit card number, expiration date, and CVV. Once you've completed all the information, tap Continue to add. The credit card will automatically be added as a payment method. So that's it, tutorial on how to add payment method on Nike Store application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.